Guys, so PEC, ang ganda ng building nila, yung bago. Good afternoon guys, nandito po tayo ngayon sa PEC, Philippine Statistics Authority. Ayan po yung bago nilang building guys. So ang ganda pag natapos yan. Ayan yan guys. So yan. Oh. Tapos nandun pa yung ano, nandun pa yung isa building. Bali apat to guys, apat na building. Pero ito ang maganda talaga guys, bago. Ganda nito. Yun ang likod po niya, yung East Avenue. Ito likod to, ang pinakaharap to. Kaya lang under construction to guys. Baka this year tapos na to. Okay guys, thank you for watching.